Are you looking for clever ways to clean your home with baking soda? This video has you covered. From cleaning your carpets and upholstery to removing tough stains, baking soda is a powerful tool in your cleaning arsenal. So check out this video for some helpful tips on how to put baking soda to work around your home. Baking soda is a common household ingredient with various uses, including cleaning. Its mild abrasiveness helps scrub dirt and grime, and its absorbent properties make it potent for absorbing spills and eliminating odors. It is inexpensive and easy to find, and it works well on a variety of surfaces. To clean with baking soda, make a paste with water and baking soda, and then use it to scrub away dirt and grime. So here are the clever ways to clean your home with baking soda. 1. Scrub the shower. If your shower is starting to look a bit grimy, it's time to give it a good scrub. Baking soda is the perfect ingredient for eliminating soap scum and dirt. Follow these steps to clean your shower with baking soda. Start by wetting down the surface. Then, sprinkle baking soda on areas that need extra attention, such as soap scum or mildew stains. Use a damp sponge or brush to scrub the surfaces, then rinse away the baking soda with water. For tougher stains, you may need to let the baking soda sit on the surface for a few minutes before scrubbing. Ensure you rinse all the residue after cleaning, so your shower stays sparkling clean. Another effective way is to make a paste with water and baking soda and rub it all over the tub or shower. Let it sit for a few minutes, then rinse it away. This method will give you extra scrubbing power, and you'll be amazed at how much cleaner your shower looks. 2. Clean your oven and kitchen sink. Baking soda is well known for its versatility when it comes to cleaning. But did you know you can also use it to clean your oven and kitchen sink? This versatile product is effective for cutting through kitchen grease. To clean your oven, mix baking soda with water to form a paste and spread it on the inside of the oven. Let the paste sit for an hour before wiping it away with a damp cloth. For stubborn stains, you can use a nylon scrubber. To clean your kitchen sink, sprinkle some baking soda on a damp sponge or cloth and scrub away any dirt or grime. Alternatively, mix baking soda with vinegar and water to create a foaming mixture. Apply the mixture to your sink and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing with a sponge or brush. Rinse away the mixture with hot water, and your sink will be sparkling clean. 3. Clean your carpets, tiles, and upholstery. Does your home need a deep clean? Baking soda is the perfect alternative if you don't want to use harsh chemicals. Not only is it environmentally friendly, but it's also effective at cleaning carpets, tile, and upholstery. To clean your carpet, tiles, or upholstery, start by vacuuming them to remove any surface dirt and debris. Then, make a paste out of baking soda and water and apply it to any stains. Let the paste sit for 15 minutes before scrubbing it into the stain with a brush. Finally, vacuum the area again to remove the baking soda paste. 4. Toothbrush cleaner. If you have just got over an illness, and you need to sanitize your toothbrush, avoid harsh chemicals and use baking soda and vinegar instead. Make a simple solution of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Soak the toothbrush in the solution for half an hour. Remove the toothbrush, and rinse it under cold water. This will kill the germs on your toothbrush and make it ready to use again. 5. Banish foul odors from your trash cans. Baking soda is an excellent way to eliminate offensive odors from your trash cans. It is an absorbent that can absorb any bad smells lingering in your trash can. Plus, it's a natural deodorizer, leaving your trash can smelling fresh and clean. Sprinkle baking soda in the bottom of the trash can, and then add your garbage bags as usual. The baking soda will help to absorb any bad smells and keep your trash can smelling fresh. You can also use baking soda to clean your garbage cans regularly. Mix equal parts baking soda and water, and use it to scrub down the inside and outside of your trash cans. This ingredient will remove dirt or grime and keep your trash cans looking their best. 6. Unclog your kitchen drains. If your kitchen sink is starting to smell bad, it might be time to unclog the drain. Baking soda is a great way to clean your drains and eliminate any lingering odor. Follow these steps to clean your kitchen drains. Start by pouring a cup of baking soda down the drain. Afterwards, pour hot water down the drain for a few minutes. Then, pour a cup of white vinegar down the drain and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, run hot water down the drain again to flush out any remaining baking soda or residue. 7. Clean painted surfaces. Cleaning painted surfaces can be a tricky task. You want to avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the paint, but you also need something that will cut through the grime and dirt. Baking soda is the perfect solution. Make a paste with water and baking soda, and apply it to the surface with a sponge or cloth. Scrub gently and then rinse with clean water. The baking soda will remove any dirt or grime without harming the paint, and your paint will look good as new. 8. Clean your pots, pans, and other utensils. Baking soda is an excellent cleaner for pots and pans because it is a natural abrasive that can remove stubborn stains and burned-on food. To clean your pots and pans with baking soda, make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply the paste to the dirty surface, scrub with a sponge or brush, and rinse well with water. Your utensils will become sparkling clean. 9. Remove stains in your refrigerator. When cleaning your home, baking soda is a true powerhouse. This versatile ingredient can clean just about anything, including your refrigerator. Start by removing everything from your fridge, including food, shelves, and drawers. Once everything is out, give your fridge a good wipe down with a damp cloth. Then, make a paste with baking soda and water and use it to scrub away any stubborn stains. Next, clean the shelves and drawers with the paste and warm soapy water. If dirty, you may need to soak them in hot water for a few minutes. Once clean, rinse them off and dry them before putting them back in the fridge. Finally, wipe down the outside of your fridge with a damp cloth. 10. Use baking soda as a cloth softener and washing machine cleaner. You may not think of baking soda as a dry cleaning agent, but you can use it to clean your clothes and washing machine. Baking soda is a natural fabric softener that can soften your clothes and reduce static cling. In addition, you can use it to clean your washing machine. Add a cup of baking soda to your washing machine drum and run a cycle on the hottest setting. The baking soda will help to remove any buildup in your washing machine and leave it looking and smelling fresh. 11. Hygienic hairbrushes. There's no other way to say it, hairbrushes get pretty gross. Make brushes brand new again with baking soda. First, remove hair from the brush by scraping the bristles with a comb. Fill a bowl big enough to hold your brushes. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Drop the brushes inside and soak them for up to an hour. You can then remove them and rinse, and your brushes will look new again. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to use baking soda to clean around the house. Thanks for watching and bye for now.